Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix if your desktop icons became blank. So let's say for example, if one of your desktop icon like Discord, it became a blank icon. Now the Discord icon is or has been into a blank icon like a white sheet, blank white sheet like that. Now if you encounter that kind of error in your Windows, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window, or you can simply make a right click at the start button and select run, or directly type run in the Windows search bar and click on it. Here in the run window, type app data. It's app data, APPDATA. Click on OK. And here you'll find the local folder, local low folder, and the roaming folder. Now let's maximize this. But if you cannot find any of the folders from here, just click on view and click on show and click on the hidden items. And once you find that, simply click on the local folder, double click. Then we need to simply scroll down to the bottom. And here you will find the icon cache, this one. So once you find the icon cache, now if you cannot find this too, you need to view this. Click on its view, click on show, and click on the hidden items. And once you find the icon cache, make a right click and then select delete. And once done, close out of here. And after that, you just need to restart your Windows. Make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Now for the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Task Manager. Now you'll find Task Manager under the best match. So what you can do, simply click on that. Maximize the Task Manager window. Then simply search for Explorer. You'll find Windows Explorer. Make a right click, select Restart. Close the Task Manager window and wait for all the icons on your Windows to be back or on the taskbar. Now after that, the problem will be fixed. So with just two simple and easy methods, the blank icon on your desktop will be fixed. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Well, thank you for watching.